As the working folks know, cleaning those filthy coveralls can seem nigh impossible. Let's tackle that challenge with this week's powerful feature product, powdered laundry detergent from Primrose. Compared to the liquid variety, this citrus scented soap offers much more value for your loonies and toonies. Not only can you control the strength by adjusting the amount you use, but you're also getting 100% soap instead of a water jug with some chemicals thrown in. Many laundry soaps on the market also require a certain type of environment, but this multi-purpose cleaning solution can be used in all scenarios. Toss it in the industrial washer at work or in the whirlpool at home. Only have access to hard water at the cabin? Doesn't matter, just sprinkle it in. Cold or hot, it'll clean no matter what. And best of all, it's made right here in Canada, so not only will your laundry feel cleaner, you will too, since you're supporting two 100% Canadian companies. So come on down to Gregg's and clean up your act with this week's feature product, powdered laundry detergent from Primrose. Got any tips on getting oil stains out of fabrics? Share them in the comments and be sure to follow so you can catch more of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.